Brent, check here.
Austin Hennings. Mitchell's truck, and we're doing our cereal grain over barley.
The scientific name of barley is Boredom Vargur.
It was domesticated in fertile crescent. That is in the western part of the Asia, along with the northeast part of Africa. It is cultivated nowadays in most of the world.
It is important to society by the use of it in beer and for agriculture, for food for animals.
Barley is in flour, bread, grits, flakes, and whole grain barley.
A problem with barley today is that it could be used with a lot of things that are bad for people.
Some of the tech that is new for barley is how you turn it into beer from the plant. After it is used, it can be turned into fertilizer. Okay, here, this picture here is they're harvesting the barley by chopping it. It's a food source for many types of livestock. This just kind of shows you how they're actually doing the process of harvest. Big dairies like to harvest barley because of its protein, kind of like corn silage and haylage.
The machine that they're using to chop it is like a silage chopper.
There are many ways to harvest barley. They combine it and they take the grain off the top of the head of the seed, and they bring it to the feed stores and stuff. They can also cut it, rake it, and bale it, and then they can grind it up for feed also.
They kind of overfilled that truck. What they're doing now is the same thing as they were doing like earlier, but the rows that you can see in there are the stalks of the barley. On the stalks, they'll come back through with a baler and bale them up and turn them into food for animals.
Barley is one of the 3 primary gluten-based grains. Therefore, in almost all cases, foods made with barley will contain the gluten protein, and people following a gluten-free protein diet will need to avoid them. So, it's basically high in sugar, and it's a good protein source to feed livestock and whatever you need it for. Okay. This will conclude our barley video project.